Introducing Willow and Daisy, my cute little kitties. This is them when they were little babies. This is before I got them from the rescue Klaws animal charity in Kenmare. And they are so cute and beautiful. This is on their first day. And here they are, a couple of weeks later. Willow, volume up here. Listen to that purr. Healing therapy sound waves right there. These are some cute little pictures of them in my van, and I used to bring them to work with me at Skellig Sauna. The best company. Yes, I was known as the cat lady, but really look at these two. Didn't mind that at all. This is when they were exploring outside a little bit and they got their lovely pink harnesses. They loved exploring. Still do. Every work day with a laptop is better with a cat. Daisy! Here she is! Oh, what a beautiful girl! What a beautiful girl! Come for a walk with us. Come for a walk with us. Yes. Come and catch up with your brother. Yeah? Oh, you wouldn't rest. You're having a rest. Good girl. Come on, little ones. Are you coming with me? Come on then. Girls. Yes. Leave the bird alone. Come on. Cute little cuddles with Willow, keeping me warm on those cold winter nights. And here's Daisy and Willow climbing the apple trees, looking very photogenic. The pair of them, beautiful sisters. Okay, you got me.